Hello and welcome to Jane Tanner Designs Crochet YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to end your project. Let's pretend this is an entire project, but we're going to tie it off. We're going to go to our incoming thread and we're just going to make a little snip. And then we're going to pull our hook and pull that thread all the way through. And we're going to pull this as tight as we possibly can. That'll form a little knot. Now we're going to weave the end back in, and we're going to try and make it look like it belongs. So you kind of follow where the yarn already wants to go and pull it through there. I try to pull it through the smaller spaces so that it can be held a little more tightly so that it doesn't come unraveled. And now you can make a little cut. And then I usually stretch it a little bit to make sure that it's nice and comfortable. And if needed, I can cut it a little bit closer, a little bit more. And I'll try to keep that back end on the wrong side of my project. So on the top, it's nice and pretty. Now, sometimes you will have projects that you can tie the ends together. Let me show you an example. Here I have one of my Cindy bows, and I have ended where I began, close enough that I was able to pull the threads through and then make a knot right here. And so I tied the threads together and made a knot. Now, to finish off this one, I can just take my hook and I can pull these threads into the project. It went in through there, except not through the front. You want to pull it into the project. Do both threads here. We'll pull it into the project. And then you can make your cut there as well. And those threads are nice and secure. They're not going anywhere. And they're also hidden. And that is how you end your project. Learning to crochet? Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a tip.